Hi everybody! Today we will be making a robot that will be operated by a flashlight. We need 2 wheels and 2 motors, a 9V battery and a battery connector, a small board and a furniture wheel, and 2 A1013 transistors and 2 photocells. All the links for all the equipment used are in the video description below. Use a glue gun to adjust the motors to the board. Solder the parts by the scheme. This is how it should look. The robot is ready. It's very easy to make a robot like this. You just need to have all the parts. How it works: when the light falls on a photocell, its resistance drops, turning the transistor on. The current starts flowing through the motor wire winding. Point the light towards the photocell. The first motor starts working. Point the light to the other photocell, and the second motor starts working. If you direct the light on both photocells at once, both motors will operate.